Today we're out here in the Sterling Ranch area of Littleton, Colorado, and today we're featuring one of the last Cal-Atlantic ranch homes constructed out here. And this home, located at 7751 Owl Creek Cir, features a bright open floor plan, coffered ceilings, custom blinds, custom shelving throughout. And it also has a partially finished basement that, with just a little more work, you could make some additional square footage in this home real easily. And one thing this house features is right out your back door, you have access to the trail system out here, the green belt that's right back here, and you can just take in everything that this neighborhood has to offer. And if you're not familiar with this neighborhood, they also have daily food trucks, they have a coffee shop, a brewery, and just literally right down the street here is the clubhouse and pool. And it's not pool season yet, but hopefully that's coming up soon. So anyway, let's give you a tour of this great home. Well, that concludes the tour of this great home. And if you have any other questions about this home in the area around here, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and REMAX Professionals, and I hope you have a great day.